What's up everybody? In this video I'm gonna show you a few features that MinSwap recently added. So first one, if we go to trade, they added this actual little nice candle chart so you can refer to the price, time, date. And the actual feature that I was talking about, they added limit order. So if we press on limit, then this little window is gonna appear. It says a limit order is an order for a token at the specific price or better. The token price must be reached the limit price or better for order to be fulfilled. And then we press on let's go. Then this price limit piece is gonna appear here, and that's where you will set your limit price. So if you are trying to buy some kind of token at specific price, this would be very useful to set a limit order. And then the second feature they added, if we go to farm and then press on farm, so they added dual farming. So if we scroll down right here, you can see ADA and CNETA. So if you're going to provide liquidity, then you'll receive LP tokens. Then you can stake your LP tokens here. Usually when you are staking LP tokens, you are just receiving MinSwap token. But in this case, you're going to be getting MinSwap and CNETA. And if you hover over APR, then right here, you're going to be able to see the breakdown. So for Min tokens, you're going to receive 63% and CNETA 28%. So at the same time, you're going to be getting Min and CNETA tokens. And they also have dual staking for Husky token as well. And right now, as you can see, it's 40% APR. And if you hover over again, you'll be getting 29% of Min tokens and Husky 10%. So at the same time, you'll be getting both tokens. I'm sure later on in the future, they probably gonna add more pairs. The only downside I see to this, you'll be getting less APR, for example, for MinSwap or for Husky. Technically, I would prefer probably getting one specific token, but higher APR. But maybe this is something you're looking for, and this is something you're interested in, getting two tokens while farming LP tokens from one specific liquidity. And this is pretty much it. If this video is helpful to you, press that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.